Sanibonani, namhlanje sizofunda ukubingelela. Today we are going to learn about greeting. Bese siphinde sifunda ngokwazana. And then we are going to learn about getting to know each other if you are meeting the person for the first time. Ke siqale ngokubingelela umuntu oyedwa. We are starting by learning how to greet when you are greeting only one person. So you would say sawubona, which means hello, and the person will respond yebo sawubona, meaning hello to you too. Unjani, how are you? Ngiyaphila wena njani? I am good. How are you? Nami ngiyaphila. I am also well. I am going to demonstrate an example. Ngizokwenza isibonelo. Sawubona.
Yebo sawubona.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila wena unjani?
Nami ngiyaphila. Siyaqhubeka-ke sesifunda ukubingelela abantu ababili noma phezulu. Okay, we are learning how to greet when you are greeting two people or more. So I would say sanibonani, which means hello to you all. Then they would respond yebo sawubona, meaning hello to you too. Ninjani, how are you all? Siyaphila wena unjani. We are good, and how are you? Nami ngiyaphila. I am also good, or I'm also fine. We are going to do a demonstration or an example again. So when this bonelo futhi. Sanibonani,
Yebo sawubona.
ninjani,
Siyaphila wena unjani?
nami ngiyaphila. Siyaqhubeka siya kukwazana. Sizofunda ngokwazana. We are learning how to get to know each other when you are meeting a new friend and you want to know more about them. Okay, so you would ask ubani igama lakho, what's your name? And the person will respond igama lami ngu, and they will say their name. My name is. Ubani isibongo sakho? What is your surname? Isibongo sami ngu, my surname is. They will say their surname. Uhlala kuphi? Where do you live or where do you stay? And they would respond ngihlala I live at, and then they will state the place where they stay. Ngiyajabula ukwazi, it is nice to meet you. All right, or it is nice to know you. Ukukwazi means to know someone. All right, we are going to do another example. We are going to demonstrate. Sizobe senza-ke isibonelo futhi. Ubani igama lakho?
Igama lami nguMelokuhle.
Ubani isibongo sakho?
Isibongo sami nguNdlovu.
Uhlala kuphi?
Ngihlala ePitoli.
Ufunda kuphi?
Ngifunda eJacaranda.
Ngiyajabula ukwazi. All right, then we move on. Now we are still knowing each other. Sisafunda ngokwazana, but now the other person wants to know about me as well. It is not only me who's asking, but the other person is asking me as well. Akusimina ngedwa engifuna ukwazi lo muntu naye ufuna ukungazi, manje naye useyabuza futhi imibuzo. Okay? So I would say ubani igama lakho, what is your name? The person would say igama lami ngu, my name is, and then they would say wena ungubani. And what is your name? I would respond igama lami ngu, my name is. Ubani isibongo sakho? Then I would say what is your surname? Then the same thing happens. They would respond with their surname and then they will ask me what my surname is. Then I go on and on with the information that I want to know. They will ask me back. Isbonelo, this is an example. Ubani igama lakho?
Igama lami nguMelokuhle. Wena ungubani?
Igama lami nguzama. Ubani isibongo sakho?
Isibongo sami nguNdlovu. Wena ubani isibongo sakho?
Isibongo sami ngundlela. Uhlala kuphi?
Ngihlala ePitoli. Wena uhlala kuphi?
Ngihlala eThekwini. Ufunda kuphi?
Ngifunda eJacaranda. Wena ufunda kuphi?
Ngifunda eKhandimfundo. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi.
Nami ngiyajabula ukukwazi.
Okay, then we move on. Ukuvalelisa umuntu oyedwa. Now you are saying goodbye to one person. Okay, so you have met the person, you've greeted the person, you got to know about the person, and now you are saying goodbye. Sesiyavalelisa, emva kokubingelela sazana, sesiyavalelisana-ke manje. So you would say, if you are saying goodbye to one person, sala kahle, and that person, if they are saying to you only, they would say hamba kahle. Or they would say, you would say usale kahle, and the person would say uhambe kahle. Sala kahle means stay well. Hamba kahle means go well. So whoever is staying behind is going to say hamba kahle to the person that's going. Whoever is going will say sala kahle to the person that is staying. If both of you are going somewhere or you are parting and the other person is going the other way, the other person is going the other way, then you would say hamba kahle and the other person would say hamba kahle to you as well. All right. Then we move on to when you are saying goodbye now to more than one person. So you would say salani kahle, meaning stay well to all of you. Hambani kahle, all of you go well. Or you would say nisale kahle, which still means stay well. Nihambe kahle, which means go well to many people. Sesiqedile ke nisale kahle.